a lot of my research is about bringing together different perspectives on global manufacturing networks through data and visual analytics. And I do this in order to bridge the gaps between silos thinking in research and practice. The demonstration in particular is an example of how we bridge those gaps. We use a multi-user interactive touchscreen that run industry-grade tools. Each one speaks to a particular type of expertise, but they help you appreciate the repercussions of different type of analysis on the bigger picture, so to speak. So we start from the macro level, where we look at macroeconomic data about sectors and countries, and then we narrow it down to look at individual networks for specific industries and products. And then we narrow it further down to get to the unit operation, where we really understand the technology interventions and how changes at that level might affect, as a butterfly effect, let's say, the broader manufacturing network. And finally, we also show sustainability, environmental repercussions at the product level, which in a certain sense cuts across all the other three.